Namaskar all of you. My name is Sanvesham. Today I am going to present a new science activity with you all. My new science activity name is changing the color of water. So for this activity I have taken water, turmeric, detergent powder and lemon. First I will pour the water into the turmeric. Now I will mix it. You can see the color is yellow. Now I will add detergent powder to it. Now you can see the color is changing to reddish brown. Now you can see the color is changing to reddish brown. Now the real game starts when I add lemon to it. Now you can see the water is again yellow. The water is again yellow. But why? Before it was reddish brown. But why it changed again to yellow when we add lemon to it? As you all know, turmeric is a natural indicator and it is in yellow color also. So when we add lemon to it, it's lemon juice and this is acid, and turmeric doesn't change color with acid. So that is why the color again changed to yellow. And if you like my science activity, click on the like button and click on the red subscribe button given below. And you can do this activity at your home. It's very easy to do. Thank you and have a good day.